Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Leslie. I am a mom of two, soon to be 3 in July. And in today's video, you guys will see what a day in my life is like, quarantine edition. I am doing like a get ready with me plus a grocery shopping, as well as a nighttime routine. But they're not in detailed because I do plan on doing separate videos on those. But if you like what you see today and want to continue watching my videos, do not forget to press the subscribe button down below. So this is 100% brow concentration. I'm laughing at myself because I never realized how concentrated I look as I'm doing my brows. But in my defense, I am picturing my actual brow as I'm doing them, and that is why I look so concentrated. If you guys would like to see a more detailed eyebrow tutorial, I did previously film one, so I will link it down below in the description box if you guys are interested. I do like to go to the kitchen and make myself some coffee. Right now I am 7 months pregnant and I can't be having too much caffeine, so this is not something I have on the daily. What are you saying? Tsunami. Uh-oh. Come bien. Come lo que tienes en la boca. If I put this down, you're not gonna throw it. Okay? I'm watching you. No. Why are you throwing it down? Hey guys, so I'm heading to Sam's Club, but I'm gonna go meet my friend first and then we're gonna head over there. So I'll see you guys there. So we're on our way to Sam's. This is my friend Bianca, and yeah, we need to go do some grocery shopping, and yeah, she's accompanying me. Yeah, going with me. But yeah, so we'll be seeing you possibly inside, maybe not, I don't know yet. It depends if I'm gonna be shy or not. But yeah, so hopefully I am not shy and I do actually get to vlog inside a little bit.
See you guys there?
Yeah, you guys can see what we're shopping for. So we ended up not vlogging because there was people and I am shy to vlog and people to watch me, but maybe in the future I will. But we did buy a lot of stuff.
I dropped my pineapple juice on the floor.
She dropped her pineapple juice, and this young girl, picked it up for her and brought it to her. She didn't even notice. I didn't notice either, but that was nice of her. But yeah, so now we're going to Walmart. I'm gonna rent a movie and buy waffles and stuff that I didn't find. Oh, and a toy, yeah, that we didn't find here at Sam's, because right now Sam's has like no meats and I ran out of chicken, so I need to find chicken. But yeah, see you guys soon. So right here I had already gone home. It was pretty late and I was super tired. It took us around 3 hours to finish grocery shopping, but I did get everything I needed and I won't be needing to go to the store anytime soon. In this part, you will be seeing me do my nighttime skincare routine. I am planning on doing a separate video on it, so if you guys are interested in watching, just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and if you guys have any video suggestions or any questions even, you guys can comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.